In this video, I'll show you how you can reset Steam games and delete game data. Now the first step is you want to come here and search for settings right here. And then you want to go to cloud and make sure you disable Steam Cloud. Once you disable this, you want to find the game that you want to do it on. Now keep in mind, some games have like an online save folder. So if that's the case, then you cannot really do anything if it's an online game and they save it on their own server instead of the Steam one. But in this case, let's just try with Terraria. You want to right click and go to properties, install files, browse. Then you want to try and search for saves. Now, if there's a folder called saves, you want to delete the folder. If nothing comes up, you can just delete that one. Just delete it and then just close it down. Now, if the folder popped up and you deleted it, you should be good to go. If there was no folder, what you can do is come here and search for the store. Search for the game. So let's just say Terraria. Now, what you want to do is you want to remember these numbers. It says right here. Each game has different numbers. So in this case, it's 105600. Then you want to come here and you want to search for Steam. Right click, open file location, and then do the same. Now you should be on the Steam folder. Then you want to go to user data. You should have some numbers here. Maybe you only have one or maybe you have multiple, but you want to open each one until you find the one with those numbers. And in this case, it's this one, as you can see, 105600, 105600. So you want to delete this folder. Then you want to check in here if it's in here as well. It is not. So if you just delete this folder, this will be all your saves from this game on your Steam account. So you can delete that folder. Once you've done that, come here, find Steam, right click, exit Steam, and then reopen Steam. Now that should hopefully be it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.